General to all, I am Aparna N. Tiwari, your English subject teacher from Sri Mahaprabhu Public School. Before starting my lecture, I want to remind you SMS. SMS S for soap, wash your hands frequently and follow the instructions given in the picture. And M for wear mask. S for maintain social distancing. Yes, before starting my video, I have asked these questions in my group discussion also. That where do we go to play? Yes, we go to the place where it's full of greenery, give us fresh air and calm to our eyes. Where do we get oxygen from? Yes, we get oxygen from trees, fresh air from trees, and the delicious fruits we get only and only from trees. Yes, this is the beautiful picture of our school scenario. It's a greenery, full of greenery. Our school is full of greenery, you all know very well. And our new chapter is about the trees, the poem Trees. It's from Honeycomb. Okay, so in this picture you can see that how the trees are totally cutted down, but now again when they get the water, the sun's rays, they started their photosynthesis process and again started to grown up. Yes, trees always know to give. They never take from us, only they know to give. वो सिर्फ देना जानते हैं. And now we move to our poem. First I recite the poem, you listen it, and after then you try to recite it. Trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make to tree houses in, trees are to swings on, trees are to swings on, trees are for the wind to blow through, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek, trees are to have a tea parties under, trees are for kites to get caught in, trees are to make cool shade in summer, trees are to make no shade in winter, trees are for apples to grow on and pears, trees are to chop down and call timber, trees make mothers say, what a lovely picture to paint, trees make fathers to say, what a lot of tree leaves to wreck this fall. This is the poem written by Shirley Ward. Now I want to give you a description, explanation of the poem. Yes, you all know that trees are our best friends. Trees are not only our best friend, not only for human beings, they are for the birds, for the animals. Trees are for the children because they all love to play there. Trees are to make tree houses in. Not only we make houses, we also cut it down and make the furniture from there. Trees are to swings on. Yes, how so much we enjoy while swinging on the trees with the fresh air. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. We play so many games with trees, and one of the famous one is hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. The grown-ups can organize tea parties under them. Trees are to make kite get caught in tree branches. Yes, trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees give us cool shade in summer and they keep us warm in winter by giving fuel. Trees are for the apples to grow on and pears. Yes, you know that so many fruits, it's very delicious fruits. The nutritious fruits we only get from trees. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mothers say, what a lovely picture to paint. Yes, mothers find trees good for painting lovely pictures. And father gather dry leaves in autumn. So this is the explanation of the poem. Now here are the fill in the blanks. You have to do it by your own. Trees are to chop down and call. Do it by your own. Trees make mothers say means you have to complete these lines from the poem. And what is your homework? You have to make a collage of different kinds of trees on a chart paper along with their benefits. Means you have to make collage of uh, trees, different kinds of trees, and write what are the benefits of those trees. This is your activity you have to do, and submit it in the Google form, which link I will give to you. Thank you and Jai Narayan.